This video tutorial I will explain what is URL. We can imagine internet as a vast network of roads, and in internet each website or web page is like a house or building located somewhere along these roads. URL is nothing but uniform resource locator. We can think of URL as the address that tells your web browser exactly where to find specific house or a specific building on this internet road network. URL is like a set of directions that includes all the information needed to reach a particular website or web page. And URL is made up of several parts. We will see one by one. The first one is protocol. This is like telling your web browser which type of vehicle to use on the internet roads. The most common one is HTTP protocol or HTTPS protocol, which determine whether you will use regular path or secure path. Regular path meaning HTTP protocol, secure path meaning HTTPS protocol. The second one is domain name. We can think of domain name as the street name where the house or building is located. For example, www.google.com, which tells your browser to go to the Google street. Third one is port. Sometimes a house or building might have multiple entrances or doors. The port is like specifying which door to use. Fourth one is path. If a website is like a big building with many rooms, then the path is like telling your browser which room or floor to visit. For instance, slash images. This is the path. This path might take you to the folder with pictures on the website. Parameters are like special instruction you might give it to the person at the house. Like I am looking for information on the cats. Parameters help the website to understand what you are looking for. So in simple terms, URL is an address. URL helps your web browser to find and display specific page on the internet. URL is like a combination of street address and directions that lead you to the right place on the web. Here we will see the different URL examples. The first one is website home page. Here you can see the URL https colon double slash www.google.com, and this is the home page for google.com website. Here you can see the specific web page URL. This URL leads to the page on the Google website, specifically the About Us page. Here you can see the image file URL. This URL leads to the image file named pic.jpg, which is located on the folder called images on the Google website. Here you can see the example of URL with search query, and this URL includes the search query parameter q with the value flowers, which indicates the user is searching for the information about the flowers on Google's website. Here you can see the example of login page URL. This URL takes you to the login page of Google website where users can log in to their accounts. Here you can see the example of URL to access the PDF document, and this URL links to PDF document named report.pdf, which is hosted on Google website. So these examples demonstrate how URLs are used to navigate the internet and access specific websites, pages, files, or perform actions like searching or logging in. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.